Good morning. Welcome back to our cabin escape. So some of you may have noticed last weekend we didn't have a video. We were actually on site. It was a bit of a trying weekend. We got a lot done. We just did not get a lot of video. So I'll give you a tour kind of what we did last weekend and then what we plan on doing this weekend is...
Yeah, we look at trying to get the rest of the second story subfloor done, second floor walls and sheeting. The stairwell, we have to build basically a frame in the stairwell so we can actually stand up our last set of walls.
Basically put a temporary cover over the top of the stairs so we can safely stand walls.
Yeah. Other than that,
I was going to say, if we can sheathe maybe the second story part of the walls, we'll try and get that done as well. We'll just see how much we can get done. We're actually on site an extra day today, or half a day today with a holiday, so hopefully we can get a bunch done.
So, yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully we have some good progress again.
Thanks. So let's see, last weekend we brought up the scaffolding and set it up so that we could use it to help stand the 16-foot walls. Last weekend our daughter and her boyfriend were on site and they were a huge help. I don't think we could have done this without them. But anyway, so we have the scaffolding and then they're basically 15 feet from bottom plate all the way up to the top plate. So we stood, this is the south wall, and in this corner we'll have the fireplace, and then crossed this so you can see the framing of the windows. So this is the west wall with all of our windows. They helped us get this stood. We do not have the headers in any of these window frames. They just, not necessarily too heavy to stand, but the wind kept catching those headers every time we tried to stand them up, and it was not working. That was our struggle last weekend. And then we have what will be the front door. We still need to frame in the header and all of the cripples above that door. And then once we frame in the stairs, we have that little bit of wall, 16-foot wall here on this end that will have to be framed in once we can cover the stairs and get to it. We set a few pieces of subfloor as well last week. And then our goal is to finish this last section here over the kitchen and get it all done this week. So that's it. Subfloor is all done.
There's our trailer. That's where we basically camp out the whole time we're up here. And now that's going to be our view out the front windows. Right there. So, yep, definitely very excited about that.
So here we are, morning of day 2 for the weekend. We got a lot done yesterday, and as we finished everything, we realized that we didn't have lumber for the upstairs walls on site. So this morning, we have made a trip to town and picked up some 2x6s that we can cut in half to use for the upstairs wall. So that's our goal today. We'll just start working on upstairs walls. So here we are, morning of day 3. We've got one more full sheet here and a half sheet on that end. And then we're done with the east side. So we had good progress yesterday. Once we finish that east side, we will roll around and do the south side and get probably at least 6 sheets, basically up until that window. We're not quite sure how to handle those tall walls yet, so we're still thinking through that. So, but we're going to cover this back half here, get it done. We still have the north wall on the second floor to do, and once we have that done, then we will sheathe it as well, hopefully. And that's kind of our to-do list for today. So we'll see how it goes. So we have a fox. We don't think this is the same one we have been watching. I think this is a different one. Out and about the last 2 weeks here. So here we go. It is the morning of day 4 on site for this week. Again, yesterday we got a lot done. We're actually pushing into stuff that we didn't plan on getting done this week. But, you know, since we started it, we might as well do some more this morning before we go home. So, all of the east side is all done. South side for the second floor stuff is all done. We still need to do the front part. We have 3.5 sheets along the front that we have to change our method for pulling those up and over that top plate on those tall walls. So we'll do that next weekend. On the north side, everything we can get done until we set the last 2 sections of 16-foot wall are in. And then late last night, after dinner, while it was nice and cool, we snuck back outside without the camera and we started setting the OSB across the front. So our goal this morning is going to be see how many of these panels we can get across the front on the first row. I think there's a total of 8 that will go across here. We've got 2 already up, so 6 more to go. So I guess we'll see how fast we can get this done this morning before we go home. Stay tuned, here we go. All right, that's it for us for this weekend. Got a lot done. It was a very productive weekend.
We were able to get all of the exterior sheathing done, except for the front wall.
And the upper portion of the tall walls.
Yes. So
So,
yeah, we got more done this weekend than we expected. So yeah, we'll be back up again next weekend, finish the sheathing. Tomorrow, which will be a Monday, this July 6th, we'll actually have trusses delivered. So yeah, we're kind of on schedule.
I was going to say, that means it's starting to wrap up. It's buttoning up all the final details and everything, making sure we're ready to set the roof after next weekend, hopefully.
So, yeah.
So that's our goal. So thanks for watching.
Yeah, comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time.
All right, thanks.